Why are you stressing yourself looking for a job, going to submit CV in different companies, searching for a job? Why in this 21st century that AI have taken over all over the world, where you can sit right in your comfort zone and start working for AI company and start making massive money for yourself? In this video, I'm going to list out 5 AI platform that can pay you from $20 to $120 every hour that you work with them. Yes, in this video I am going to show you these 5 AI company, very legit. Okay, my name is Bright and I teach beginners how to make money online. Okay, this is your first time you come across my video, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video you will get notified. Okay, so I will walk you through. I'm about to do that video right now, so we are going to my system where I'm going to show you everything you need to know about these 5 platforms and what you are going to do for them, and they will start paying you. Please note that this is not get quick rich. Okay, you need to work for them to pay you. Okay, at least 2 to 3 hours of your time you are going to invest on it. Okay, so follow me step by step. Let's go to the business. So the number one of this company is called Atli AI company. So what are you going to do for them to pay you? Number one is prompt writing. Number two is AI response rating. Number three is fact checking. Number four is AI training. So these are the things that you will be doing for this at Layer AI and you will get paid. Okay, so they are paying around $15 to $50 per hour. Okay, it's here. So if you click it, okay, so this is the interface of this Atli AI company, as you can see. So look at people, different people, PhD, undergraduate, everybody is working in this platform. There is no experience needed, as you can see. Become the expert that AI learns from. Okay, join 100 PhD and college graduate working and earning as a AI trainers. Work from wherever and whenever. No AI experience needed at all. So as you can see, if you scroll down, let me just walk you through the platform. Look at how this platform is. Okay, this AI company is very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. I must tell you, ready to impact the future of AI. Let's view the opportunities. Okay, oh my God, power the world most advanced AI. As you can see, join a global community shaping how AI thinks, writes and reasons. Find high paying flexible projects that fit your schedule. As you can see, it has said it all. Okay, join the community, find out the best flexible project and fit your schedule. Okay, anyone that fit your schedule at your specific time, you can apply. As you can see, look at the job available, and people, thousands of people are there already working. Look at this one, general in board coding. Join the Outlier expert community, up to $30 USD per hour. Remote, Argentina, Australia, Canada and more. Look at the people that are working, that have been hired already in this particular job. As you can see, if you scroll down, look at them, $20. These are jobs available that you can work in this company. So how are you going to get started for you to start working in this place? It's very simple. You just have to sign up with your email, follow the instruction step by step, okay, and fill every details they ask you to do, and the type of job that you want to be working. You just put everything down so that they can match you and you start working with them. Okay, it's very simple and they pay every week. The second one is called Aligner AI company. So what are you going to do for this Aligner AI? Is very simple. AI data labeling, image annotation, audio annotation, AI evaluation. So these are the things that you are going to do for this AI company and you will get paid. Okay, still come to Chrome. I think I still have it here. Look at it here. So I collect it
So look at it, where experts get paid to train AI. Join our expert network and unlock continuous opportunity, remote rewarding, and on your schedule. Time you are free to work with the company is when you are working with the company. They are not going to force you. Manual work, you go to work, you don't have time from morning till night. You work from 6 to 6. When you get home, you are tired. The next morning, you start again. You don't have the time of your own. This one is not like that. This one, you can sit in your comfort zone, project how, schedule yourself, how you are going to work with this company and start getting paid. This is how this platform works. Okay, let me walk you through so that you can see what I'm talking about. Look at, wow, this is massive. This is massive. Look at the opportunities and the opportunity and the hour you can work with them and get massive money for yourself. As you can see, trending operations specialists. Put your trading expert to work, shaping the future of AI. Finance. Probes wanted full remote, flexible, and well paid. Look at it, $55, 110 hours. Apply now. As you can see, look at this one. AI ethics reviewer. Get paid to make AI fairer and safer. Use your critical thinking to spot bias and ethic issues. Fully remote, flexible, no experience needed. Look at this one, from $40 to $120 per hour you can apply. So let me just walk you through. Okay, map and location data analytics. Get paid to put your local knowledge to work. Help shape the AI maps millions of people rely on every day. Fully remote, no jigs, no experience needed. $40 to $120 per hour. Okay, you come back, AI chatbot tester. Get paid to chat with AI and shape the future of technology. No experience needed, just curiosity and opinion. Okay, from $40 to $120 per hour you can apply. So this one is Portuguese. From $20 to $40 you can apply. Look at this one, product review analytics. Get paid to shape how AI talks about products, evaluate reviews, catch errors, and help build more uh, trustworthy AI. Fully remote and flexible. From $40 to $120 per hour you can apply. So this AI company are so amazing and they are paying well. Look at, join 100,000 plus expert earning by training AI. Apply. So if I click apply, they will ask me to put my resume so that they can match me the kind of work that I want and start working with them. As you can see, look at it here. Share your resume to get started. Okay, we're excited to learn more about you. Upload your resume so we can match you with the best opportunity to apply for skills and expertise to teach steps from the acts artificial intelligence. Let's build something amazing together. So look at it, upload your resume. So if immediately I done that, they will now, I will start working with them. So what you have to do on this platform to start working on the company is use your email and sign up. They will now send OTP to your email. You click it and fill the necessary thing and start working with them. Okay, it's very, very simple, as you can see. Okay, so now the next one is data annotation. So what are you going to do for this data annotation AI company? So these are the things you are going to do for them. Number one is train AI chatbots, evaluate AI response, write prompts, coding projects, and they are paying higher amount for it. They can pay you $20 to $40 per hour doing this job for them. Please, if your first time for you to across my video, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video you will get notified. So these are the way for you to support me. So let's continue. Type that look at it here. I click it. Okay, as you can see, software engineer overview. If you read it, If you go down, you will see what it's talking about. Look at the job opportunity that you can apply that is currently right now $45 to $150 per hour, working with this particular job and working with this company. As you can see, these are the prices job available that you can do in this AI company and start getting paid. Okay, there's no need for you to start stressing yourself looking for work, submitting CV, that they will not going to call you for that job. You keep on waiting, wasting your time. You can do this in your comfort zone as your specific time. You can work with AI company and start getting paid. This is for the 21st century where AI have taken over everything. Make money in your house. Okay. Number 4 is CrowdGen by Appen AI. What is going to be your work you will do for them and they will pay you. Number 1 is AI data collection. Number 2 is image labeling. And number 3 is search engine evaluation. Number 4 is audio recording. So these are the things that you will be doing for them and they will pay you. Look at it here. You click. So as you can see, look at it. Where expert contributors shape frontier AI. Okay, a global network of domain expert, language specialists, and skilled contributors doing the data work that trains the world's most capable AI. So this is how this one works. Okay, so as you can see, built for people who take pride in their work. Okay, a community where expert judgment is the product, and the platform is designed to reflect that work matches to your strength, rate that reflects standing, and contributions traceable to the frontier models to help shape. As you can see, remote members is over 1 million plus, 500 languages and 200 countries are working in this platform. Okay, so lead the future of AI. Join us in creating a more relevant, trustworthy, and truthful AI, all we are earning on your own times. Okay, just use your email and sign up and start working on this platform. Let me just walk you through a little bit so that you can understand everything I'm talking about. So now create your account. Okay, just put your email as I told you. If you put your email, you continue. Okay, as you continue, when you put your email, they will not send code to your email. You just confirm it. You are doing that for them to confirm that you are human. So you now continue. I've already signed up. It's not going to allow me to do that. Okay, so that is how this platform works. The next one is One Formal AI. That is the last but not the least here. So look at it. Your expertise, our mission, a smarter AI features help shape transformative AI solution in collaborations with global experts. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll down, join our diverse global community experts, harness your unique expertise to help drive generative AI innovations alongside a community of other certified domain specialists. As you can see, 1.8 million members already exist in this company and 300 languages, markets 222 markets and 20k projects. So if you want to join, you click. As you can see, then you confirm that you are a human. Okay, you take it. So I'm just want to show you things you are going to feel so that you can start working on this company. As you can see, look at what I say. Get started with joining the One Formal community. So your first name, your last name, legal full name for ID verifications, your email, your country residence, your password, strong password. Make sure say you put a strong password and you confirm your password. Okay, I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. You tick I have read and agree, you take it, make sure that you confirm all these things and sign up. Immediately you sign up, you are good to go. Okay, so they will still send a code for you to confirm. So immediately you've done that, you are good to go and you are ready to work on this company. Okay, so please note, this is not get quick rich. If you start working in this, you have, when you registered, you have to work before you get paid. It's not if you register you go and relax, sit and expecting money to come. No, it doesn't work that way. In this company, this 5 AI company I listed to you, if you want to work and start making money and you confirm your money is sweet, you have to invest your time. Okay, at least bring out 2 to 3 hours to work for these companies and start getting paid. These 5 platforms I show you, you work in all of them every day, even one job every day, all of them. You work at least one job from all of them. Do you know how much you are going to make for yourself? Take it serious. Lest I forget, please. If you are in Africa, you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in Cotonou, any African country, please, you have to use VPN on this platform. Okay, you have to use VPN. If you don't have VPN, please write on my comment section. I'm going to give you free VPN that you are going to use and start doing this job. I am not going to charge you 1 naira. Okay, and if you are confused on how to go and register on this platform, just tell me everything on my comment section. Okay, I'm going to help you and make sure I guide you until you succeed. Okay, so the only thing you owe me is just to subscribe to my channel and share my video so that anytime I upload a new video you will get notified. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I love you. Shalom. See you in my next video.